Okay, in this video we will be learning the intro. So the intro, let's run through the chord progression real quick. We are starting with our 4 chord, which is a D. We can use this root or we can use this root. And then we're playing the 3 chord. So we have 4, 3, there's a minor 7. And then we are playing a 2-5-1. So the 2, we are just sliding this down 2 frets. 5, we are using a harmonic. And then our 1. So that is the basic chord progression. And the second time when we repeat, the ending will be slightly different. So we'll be playing. So we are basically skipping the 5. Okay, let's look at the details. So the first chord, we are playing the major 7 shape, and our melody note is on the 12th fret on the first string. So this string 1, 2, 3 with our melody note right here. Okay, so I'm rolling the first chord with our open D in the root, and then playing the first 2 strings together and then strings 2 and 3 together, while letting go of the pinky. So that's our first chord. Our second chord, we're playing like this. So we'll be using our thumb for the 9th fret, and then we'll be doing a partial bar on strings 2, 3, and 4 with our index finger. Strings 2, 3, and 4 with our root. Now our melody note is on the 12th fret, 2nd string. 12th fret, 2nd string. And we'll be playing that with our pinky. There's a little bit of a stretch, but we only have to hold it for 1 note. We are playing basically the same thing, but 1 string set down. So we are rolling this chord, and then playing strings 2 and 3 together, and then strings 3 and 4. So the next chord, we just slide this down 2 frets, down to the 7th fret. That's it. We just roll this chord. And the 5 chord, which comes after, we'll be using the open E string, so the 6th string, with our harmonics on strings 1, 2, and 3. So together, it'll sound like this. Okay, so we have. Okay, and the last chord, this is our 1 chord, which we will be playing on strings 3 and 4 on fret 6. They're both fret 6. So we'll be playing the root, which is our open 5th string, our A, with strings 2 and 3. And then this, which is 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay, let's play through the first half. Okay, let's play it a little bit faster. Okay, the second half is almost the same with a couple slight variations. So our first chord, we actually start without the pinky. Again, we roll the chord with our open D in the root. And then we basically go the opposite way. So we start with strings 2 and 3. And then we end with strings 1 and 2. And now we want to add our pinky. So you want, you can replace the last note with a harmonic on the 12th fret on the first string. So it will look like this, and we have to let go of our first finger when we're playing the harmonic. So like that. Okay, and then this is almost the same. But with the last note on this chord, we are playing the first string on the same fret. So the way I play it is I just rock my first finger down. That way I'm fretting one extra string, so I'll be fretting 4 strings with my first finger. Okay, and then here we have the same thing as our 3 chord, but in the first half. So the first half we played this. The second half we want to play it down here. It's the same exact thing, but we're playing it 2 frets down. So the second half, let's play from the beginning of the second half. Okay, and the last chord of the second half is very simple. We let go of our thumb. We will be playing an open A. And what we want to do is slide this up 2 frets again, so back up here. And we're only playing strings 2 and 3. Okay, here's the second half. Okay, let's play the whole thing from the beginning. Now let's talk about a couple small pointers. So the last chord in both repetitions, we are playing it a bit before the first beat. So for example, at the end, we are playing. So you want to play it a bit before the next bar. Same as the first repetition. And then when we turn around and go to the second repetition, we can keep our third finger here. So that is why I'm using these 2 fingers. So I can let go of my middle finger. So my third finger is on the 3rd string, 6th fret. All I have to do is use this as a guide to slide back up. And that is an easier way to find the next chord. So yeah, so all I'm doing is letting go of my middle finger and then sliding this back up. Okay, and that was actually a slightly modified version of the intro because in the original recording, it was actually played by 3 guitars. So if you want to play something closer to the original, here's how you play it. So we start with the same chord, exact same thing, but the second chord we actually want to keep our first finger, slide that down 2 frets. So we're playing the same chord, but we're playing the melody note right here. So again, slide this down 2 frets, and then we are playing the same chord, so now we have to fret the chord with our middle finger fretting the root and our third finger doing the partial bar, right? But you have to be careful when you're doing the partial bar with your third finger. You want to leave the first string open because that is our melody note. Right? So you don't want to be touching this. And then it's the same idea, but we're just using different fingers. And when we're sliding back, it's exactly the same. Now this, we're using the original fretting method. With the melody note, we have to use our pinky to fret. It is on the same fret. Now the last chord is also slightly different. I think this chord sounds better than this one. So you can pick which one you want to use. So this chord, we have our first finger on the first string 4th fret, and then we're skipping the 2nd string and fretting the 3rd string on the 6th fret. We're playing the open A in the root and strings 1, 3, 2, and 1. So let's try the new method. And there we go. You can choose which variation you like to play more. I like the first one because everything is closer together, but I think the second one sounds better, but is a little trickier because you have to do the partial bar while making sure you're not touching the first string. So yeah, you can pick which one you like and have fun practicing.